In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful and family-friendly tools inside Synology SRM, which is called Safe Access. So, Safe Access lets you control how each user or device accesses the internet. You can create profiles, set the schedules, block adult or dangerous websites, and monitor browser activity. Whether you are managing your home network or a small office, this feature gives you total control and peace of mind. So, what is Safe Access? Safe Access is Synology's all-in-one solution for user management and internet safety. It works by linking each device on your network to a profile where you can define browsing rules, schedules, and filters. Think of it like giving each person or department then or security internet policies. And the best part, you can monitor and control it all from one clean interface. That's the SRM. So let's start by creating a profile. So first you have to go to Safe Access, and this is the overview page of the Safe Access. So it provides you a couple of features. Profile here where you can create a profile. There's a web filter. There are predefined filters like child, employment, and guest. But yeah, you can add your own web filter, customize them. So in the security feature, it provides you to enable your threat intelligence database, or you can also enable the Google Safe Browsing, which you can connect your Google Safe Browsing using your Google Safe Browsing APIs. Okay, also you can add the exception list here. So this is the activity. Any activity performed on the network with enabled safe access profile will you'll be able to see them here. You get the system logs and reports. So it helps you to generate reports. You can have a weekly, monthly report on how the device has been accessed and all the security features there. Apart from this, it has a secure setting feature where you can add events. You want to have them email, SMS on your mobile or desktop. You have option for backup and restoration as well. So let's get started with creating a profile first, and let's see how it goes from there. So to create a profile, you can go to profile, add a profile. So you want to add a user profile. So that will be specific to a device. Like you have a multiple device and you want to add a user device there. You want to add these filters to a laptop, mobile, depending upon you, or you have an option to create a network profile. So let's go ahead and create a network profile on my primary network. Okay, so for now, there are two devices connected to my profile. One is my NAS and one is my MacBook Air. So the setup has been completed. It has created a profile for me. I can add a SS rule from here, or we can do it from later on also. So in the web filter, you can enable the web filter, and let's take it like an for employee, and you have a customized schedule for it. For me, I'm just taking it to the basics for now. You can have an internal schedule like you want a time frame for these profile to be selected. You want them to have in your daytime and not in the nighttime, or you want to have them in the nighttime, depending upon how you want to do it. So you can enable the safe access as well. So safe access for YouTube, Google, Bing, Duck browser. So okay, applying the changes. So this is how easy is it to create a network profile. So now this profile, if you want to see it, it's for the employees. You can edit it. So any inappropriate attempts to like to go to the blog site or a blog website that you don't want them to have access will be blocked. So you can also, I mean, a user using this can also send you a SS request, like they want to browse this website for some reason. They can provide you the reason and send you a request there, so that after that the administrator has an option to allow him or not. And here is how you customize your blog pages. So you can just customize your blog pages, add your own title like, hey, you, you don't have access to this site, or use a description, add a background, logo, something related to your company. So yeah, that's how easy it is to set up a safe access. So now we have a created profile for it. Any attempts or the history of attempted search or visit to our website will be recorded here. And as per the activity, here will be the list, and you can generate a report as well. So this is how easy it is, and I think it's a very important feature which Synology provides here. And that's how you set up a safe access in the Synology SRM. It's simple, smart, and incredibly powerful. You can now manage your family usage, protect kids, and ensure safe browsing across your entire network. So that was all about the safe access for today. In the next video, we'll take a notch and look into the prevention, which is also software provided by the Synology, which protects your network from hackers, malware, or unsuspicious traffic. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching.